Hello everyone, I'm water. I'm the most important factor on earth who keeps humans and animals alive. I have covered 75% of earth in the form of seas, rivers, lakes and etc. Today, I'm going to show my journey from my origin, that is water cycle. Firstly, I have to start my journey at the process called evaporation. Evaporation is the process of changing water into vapor by adding heat from the sun. The water from seas, rivers, lakes, which are all over the world, get heated by the sun and evaporated to the sky to form clouds. The boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius, so water gets evaporated at 100 degrees Celsius, which is 373 kelvins in Kelvin scale. The water that is evaporated into sky is converted into tiny water droplets to form clouds. This process is called condensation. Condensation is the process of water vapor changes into water by loss of heat. Condensation is the opposite process of evaporation. The vapor that is condensed into tiny water droplets are combined to form big water molecules and become heavy. By the action of cool air, which is called monsoon, on heavy water molecules makes them to fall to the earth's surface as rain, snow, sleet or hail. This process is called precipitation. Precipitation is the process that water falls to the earth's surface as rain, snow, sleet or hail. This is the end of my journey. See you as rain. Bye.